Good morning to all the followers of Proyecto AAk Mahahual A.C. I would like to thank everybody for the help that they have gave us during these years. And this year, 2020, we will keep working in programs of conservation and protection of the sea turtle. So we can help wherever we are, because whatever we do will impact positively or negatively in some place in the planet. Again, we are officially starting the turtle nesting season this year. Sadly, as we know, because the problem we are suffering worldwide, we cannot go out and do activities with community, but we are going to still working with a small group helping this species. I would like to remind to everybody that the turtles are an endangered species and they're protected, and we can help them in many ways. We can stop using so many plastics, because we end up with so many plastic on our beaches, and baby turtles get entangled or they get stuck in plastic bottles, plastic bags. Thanks for all the help, and if you like to follow our page, I will be updating information regarding the turtle nesting season this year.